Bridgestone Corporation is the world's leading manufacturer of mining tires, along with car, truck and bus, and aircraft tires.
Our team's daily activities centre around providing the very best in technology, quality and service.
Bridgestone was founded in 1931, and this year we are celebrating our 94th anniversary of continuous innovation. Bridgestone's mission is serving society with superior quality. Our team develops solutions using the very best technology to ensure our customers enjoy maximum value and safety from our product.
Rio Tinto is a long-term global partner of Bridgestone. Working in the Pilbara is a harsh, tough, hot environment, and we have innovated to create new technology, Mastercore. This solution increases tyre life, which in turn leads to increased productivity and finally reduces waste. I'm extremely passionate about Kaizen. That's part of Bridgestone's DNA. It means continuous improvement, and that drives us towards continually creating new solutions for our customers.
The Bridgestone's Mastercore series has unlocked real value for Rio Tinto by driving efficiency and sustainability outcomes. So as Rio Tinto, we know that our tyre requirements will evolve over a period of time, and we are very confident that Bridgestone is on that path with us and will support us through that change.
We are incredibly honored to be nominated by Rio Tinto for this Innovation Award. We are proud of what we've achieved with Rio Tinto, and we'll continue to work together to move more with less.